Hi guys. Okay, third grade. This is just an example of the work you're going to be doing for your count and compare sides and vertices practice. So the first part says, how many vertices does the shape have? So you can't answer that if you aren't sure what that means. So a vertices is the word for more than one vertex. But hold on. First you have to know what a vertex is. A vertex is where the two sides meet. So this right here, that's a vertex, that's a vertex, that's a vertex, okay? So where two sides meet. Okay, so how many do we have? So since it's plural, since it's more than one, we call them vertices. How many vertices do we have? Well, these two sides meet here, so there's one. These two sides meet here, there's another, and there's another. So we would say it has 3 vertices, okay? So this is, they show it to you step by step like this. I love that. But they're showing you that vertex right there. Count all the vertices all around the shape. There you go. Shape has 3 vertices. Don't lose track, especially if you're counting, if you're looking at a shape that has many, many sides, so many vertices. Don't lose track of where you stop and start because it'll throw you off. All right, that's pretty simple. Good luck with this lesson, guys. Bye.